Are you going?
Yeah.
Good. Chocolate rain.
Some Douglas thing's about to happen.
Go.
Jensen.
I don't know. Well, it still kind of hurts though.
The good one.
Yeah.
Right.
Oh.
That gets in there. Shit's getting in there. Fucking deep. Hey.
Set it down there, Lang.
Hey, I'm just saying that shit was deep.
You're hurting people's feelings right now.
Main phase 2, Confi.
People everywhere are upset.
Main. Chocolate rain.
About 350. Oh, fitted.
What the hell is he doing in there? Good.
I heard really good this format.
Guess he did fix this up.
Yeah.
He was at 1-2, right?
I think so.
Okay.
Go.
I can't overextend. Or can I?
No, Doug. Like Enterprise.
I'm gonna be a man. It's for YouTube.
That's not even being a man. You know what's being a man.
How does that feel, huh?
You would have deserved it.
16.
That is all, Seth.
I know. Good. I said I was doing it for YouTube, so.
Ricker?
Yeah. Sack for Zaborg.
13?
Because that would just be bulky. Yeah.
This is what like Enterprise games done.
Yeah, it is.
What do you think? How's that Bob Barker doing?
He's something.
Good.
Pass.
Drop.
Yeah. Yeah.
30. Good. Is this really happening in my video? Like, okay. Just wanted to make sure.
Go.
6.
Oh, he's getting there for damage now.
So deep.
That hurts.
Yeah.
That hurts. That hurts.
Yeah.
What? What are you at?
52.
Shit. 6.
Yeah.
Go. I'm mad. I can't put any more on the board. 6. Go ahead. I'm gonna get in there one day, so. 6. Discard. Go. Sorko. No Sorko. 6.
You sure you don't want to book the faith?
Chocolate tastes great. Sparky wants some too.
Good.
Chocolate contains theobromine,
Go.
which is toxic to dogs.
Sparky seems fine. He wants some more.
Well, this isn't chocolate. This is carrot. Dog's fine.
17.
Yeah.
Good. Heavy's gone. Mobius is in the yard.
You're a golden prodigy.
Go.
900. Good. I'm gonna get you one of these days. Go, Inspector Gadget.
Go.
Off the top,
That'll do it.
Like Enterprise.
Motherfucker.
600.